Hi, Lars. Thanks for taking the time to speak to me today. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Thanks for having me. How are you?
That's okay. Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you. Very good. I wanted to learn a bit more about the technology behind our CFD tools. You developed some of the components and systems that automate the simulations at Ingrid Cloud. What are the biggest challenges involved?
Yeah, it's really two parts. First, we have the user interface, which is a web browser user interface. And along with that, we have all the typical challenges of modern web development. Also, on top of that, our challenge is to abstract away all the complexity of CFD from the users. So anyone can run a simulation, I think, in cloud. That's our goal, without any CFD knowledge. Also, we are using quite a lot of 3D functionality in our user interface, in the simulation setup, and also in the simulation reports. We have 3D viewers to show the results of the simulation. So that has been quite a lot of work put into that.
Absolutely.
The rest of the system, sort of like the back end of the system, involves a lot of challenges. We're running in the cloud. We're running in Azure mostly. And the system is divided into subsystems for different phases of the simulation. So you have the pre-processing and the actual solving, and you also have the generation of the reports. And these phases has to be orchestrated, and also they has to be scalable. So it's quite a challenge, and it doesn't get easier considering all the huge amounts of data that we're generating during simulations. It can be several hundreds of gigabytes. So yeah, it's quite a complex system.
Yes, there's certainly sounds like there's a lot to consider. You mentioned the big amounts of data just now. Ingrid Cloud and our tools require high performance computing resources to perform these complex simulations. How are these resources implemented and integrated into our systems?
Yeah, well, around the world there are several HPC resources, both in academia and commercial. And we're always on the lookout for the best of them and the fastest and most cost-effective. But this is not something that the user has to bother with. They never see what kind of computing resources we use. And our ambition is to use the optimal computing resource for the problem at hand. Yeah, we have a number of computing resources to choose from for each simulation. And right now we have on our list, we have computing resources from Germany, Scotland, Finland.
Excellent. So we're bearing in mind all of this information, and that's good that you can use these tools to help our customers complete their simulations or highly accurate simulations very quickly. So that's excellent. So thanks very much for running through this with me today, Lars. It's great to learn about the specifics of what we do at Ingrid Cloud and how the technology we use can help our customers. Access to the platform is completely free, and I think it'll be really good if anyone who's watching this video can sign up for a free account and can see the results of all your good work.
Yeah, and when they sign up, we provide them with a handful of example simulations, so you can see the 3D viewers that I was talking about, for example.
Absolutely. That's great. No, that's great to know, and hopefully we can get some people signed up and exploring that as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, thanks very much for your time, Lars, and we'll speak soon.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Okay, thanks.